Hi, many have been asking me what theme I use in Visual Studio and how to install it. Many of you know how to do it, but there are others who are just starting out and don't know how to do it. So in this video I will teach you how to download, install and customize themes and also present the 6 best dark themes for Visual Studio. Well, many of us are picky about the appearance and settings of the development environment. We want to feel comfortable and avoid a strain. Personally, I prefer a soft dark theme and a balanced, easy on the eye color mix because too much light makes my eyes hurt, especially if I'm in front of the computer for hours. Visual Studio's default dark theme is fine, and since version 15 it has improved a lot. However, it still doesn't suit my personal taste, although it is possible to customize the color of any text editor component from the Visual Studio options, which I will explain at the end of the video. Now let's see how to download and install themes. Well, there are 2 ways. We can do it from the Visual Studio Extensions Manager. In the Online tab we search for the word theme. And we will have many results. Here you just have to download and install the theme. The other way is to download it from the Visual Studio Marketplace. In the same way we search for the word theme. We can make filters to perform exact searches. It is worth mentioning that the themes are available mainly for Visual Studio 2019. Since in this version the theme designer is introduced that allows you to easily create theme extensions. Well, to download the theme we just have to click on one of them. Here we can read all the details and see the screenshots, which is a great advantage before installing it. If you like the theme, just download it and run the file. Visual Studio must be closed, otherwise, restart it for it to take effect. Once the installation is finished, we open Visual Studio, go to the Tools tab, select Options and choose the theme. Alright, now I will present with you the 6 best most stylish and comfortable dark themes. This list is made according to my personal tastes, so the order does not matter much. Well, as 6th place we have the Night Owl theme. It is a quite nice theme with well-balanced color options, but the dark background seems very intense, so the text stands out strongly and as the hours go by, the eyes they get tired. That's why I place it in 6th place. In 5th place we have the Nordisk theme. This is a very soft and comfortable dark theme for the eyes. It is based on the Nord theme from Visual Studio Code. It is an Arctic theme, northern bluish, clean and elegant, designed for a fluent and clear workflow. As 4th place, Good Night theme. In the same way, it is a soft and comfortable dark theme. It seems to me that it is based on the previous Nord theme, but it has a little more striking colors. In 3rd place we have the Pine Gap dark theme. A beautiful theme inspired by the AU Mirage theme from Visual Studio Code. AU is a simple theme with bright colors for comfortable work throughout the day. Position number 2, we have the Pale Night theme. This is a theme that I really like. That's why I dared to make the theme extension for Visual Studio 2019. This theme is based on the original Pale Night theme from Visual Studio Code. and it is also based on the GJack project. This theme is compatible with Visual Studio 2017 and 2019. But in itself it is not a theme extension, but a package, and it needs the Color Theme Editor extension to be installed, and it still lacks some color adjustments of the original theme, so I created an improved version based on the original theme and create a theme extension for easy installation. Currently it is only compatible with Visual Studio 2019. I will update support for Visual Studio 2022 shortly, since it has already been officially released a few days ago. Finally, in this first place we have the One Dark Pro theme. This is a soft, elegant and comfortable dark theme for the eyes. Personally it is the theme that I like the most along with the Pale Night theme. This theme is based on the One Dark Pro theme from Visual Studio Code. It is the most popular theme. It currently has around 5 million installs. Alright, those are my 6 favorite themes for Visual Studio. Now let's see how we can customize these themes, as there are some things we don't like and we would like to change or improve them. Well, first of all, the font size of any Visual Studio theme is very small, and that forces us to strain our eyes. Therefore, to feel comfortable, we can increase the font size of the text editor and the environment. To do this, we go to the Visual Studio tools and select Options. In this window we select Fonts and Colors. Then in the text editor option of the drop-down list we can increase the font size. For example, I use a size of 15 to record the tutorials so that the code is easy to see in any device and resolution. In the same way we can increase the font size of the environment. By default it is not possible to change it because it has an automatic font type set, that is, the font will be the same as the operating system. In order to do this, we must change the font type, and in order not to change the style, I recommend using the same font type as the operating system. For example, Windows 10 uses the LiWadi font. Okay, now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, since version 15 of Visual Studio it is possible to change the colors of any component of the text editor, for example, fields, parameters, properties, methods, classes, comments, and so on. In this case we will set a different color to the interfaces. In this way you can do it with any component of the text editor. This also includes this mini-map type scroll bar. Very good. Now to uninstall a theme we simply go to the Extensions Manager. Select the Install tab, and here we can disable or uninstall any extension that we have installed. To apply the changes we must close Visual Studio. Well, that's all in this video. I hope you liked it and it has served those who are just starting in this. Until next time.